This is Brian Anderson, and we've got our reporter, Allie LaForce. We've got the San Antonio Spurs facing the New York Knicks. Now here's MP. Connects from downtown.
Defensively, you have to stay connected to him on the perimeter.
Pass to Hart. Outside Anunoby. MP with it. Shot clock at 6. And MP throws it down.
And the defense is going to remember this. They might try to make MP pay for it.
Pass to Castle. From deep, MP. Second chance shot. And he sinks the layup.
Yeah, terrific follow-through from Wembanyama, proving he has a good head on his shoulders.
From deep, MP. He's in his comfort zone. 2 for 2 to start this one.
Starting to find his rhythm. He's cooking, and he knows it.
Yeah, when he gets engaged this early in the game, it's bad news for the defense. He can roll this start throughout the rest of the game.
That's how you up the ante. Come right back at him.
Yeah, I love the competitive fire right there. You drain the triple on us, and I'm coming for my revenge.
Brunson with a sixth sense. I mean, always knows where his teammates are.
MP up top. 6 points for him. And again, it's the Spurs from deep. First quarter, just about 2 minutes in. Here's MP. Oh, and the dunk by MP.
Plays like that, so easy for him.
With the step back. Jacks up a 3. MP shot is off. Here's New York. Trailing by 2. MP outside. Banked it in off the glass. MP's got 11 points.
This is what the coaches are telling MP. No one can guard you in there. Go eat.
And that one's good.
And we talk about the importance of versatility. He's really got it all on the offensive end.
Now here's MP. 11 points in the game. And it's out of bounds. The Knicks able to retain possession here. From the arc. It goes again. His 6th basket in 7 tries.
Nice shot by MP. Great touch from outside.
MP outside. Here's Champagny. Still no points. Down to 5 on the shot clock. And here's MP from outside. Pure from 3-point range.
His playmaking is trending in the right direction. Vassell has shown steady growth in that area.
Stolen by MP. Launches a 3. He drops it from range. 17 points in the game.
And this is how he shines. He's a big part of their floor spacing.
Yeah, and you got to know where he is at all times, especially when he's moving around the perimeter ready to fire.
I know it's early, but you have to wonder if these offenses can keep this up.
There will be some letdown at some point, but these teams, they are built to score, so.
Now here's MP. He's got 16. Lets it fly. San Antonio with a rebound. And here's MP. 17 points in the game. Again, the Spurs score.
He'll be asking for some lottery numbers later if he keeps knocking down shots like that.
Pass to MP. Takes a 3. Sinks it from distance. Rice has got 19 points.
With the way he can fill it up at this age, it's scary to think how good MP might be in a few years.
Just 4 seconds left to play in the first quarter. Offense is coming free and easy as we wrap up the first. It's the Spurs They lead by 5. We'll take a quick break and then get you back to the action. If you're just joining us, we played through 1 quarter in this one. All right, guys, what's your take on the Spurs so far?
Well, it's simple. I mean, they started off strong, and they've been hot from beyond the arc since the get-go.
And as long as the threes are dropping, you've got to keep launching them.
Just such good vision from Brunson. He's able to spot a guy ready to attack.
A nice shot by MP.
He's officially taken over this first half, making all the right reads.
Kicks it out to Anunoby. Back to MP. Outside Hart. Shot from the wing. Rebounded by the Spurs. MP with it. Now guarded by MP. MP scanning the floor. And again, it's San Antonio with a 3.
You give a shooter of his caliber that much time to seam it up? Oh, yeah, you're done.
MP outside. MP hammers it down.
And what an aggressive move to the rim. He's really trying to fire up his teammates right now.
Boy, it's not hard to feel inspired after a teammate makes that kind of... Oh,
Wow.
did he?
That's
He
insane.
did!
Yes,
Wow.
yes, he did that.
Woo-hoo.
We all witnessed that.
It's good, and he drew contact on the shot, so he will go to the line. A 3-point play opportunity. He's getting his first free throw attempt of the game here.
You know, so far, I'm pretty impressed with MP's attitude. He doesn't seem like a young hothead. He knows he's got a lot of work to do on his game. Their offense is looking like a well-oiled machine, getting any look they want.
Right about that. Seems like they haven't missed.
MP is doubled. Pass to Champagny. Castle on the wing. Here's MP. Back to Castle. 6 on the shot clock. And the basket by MP. MP's got 36 points.
And trust me, when the D's slow to react, he'll be the first guy to make them pay.
Yeah, they're going to do a much better job of putting a little bit of pressure on him on his way to the hoop. And what kind of defense was that? You can't... Did you see where he shot that from?
How about that?
Oh, that might be the craziest shot I've seen. No rhyme or reason whatsoever.
Oh, from long range.
What a shot.
You can't guard that. That is unguardable.
Three minutes of action thus far in the second. Outside Brunson. Pass to MP. And MP throws it down.
Doing more work in the painted area. He has really excelled inside.
To the middle. And some solid defense from Towns. And MP throws it down.
A quality pass, setting up a quality shot. It's just textbook basketball.
Knicks trail by 12. MP drives in. Lays it up and banks it in. MP's got 34.
Be a good, aggressive move by MP. You know, I have a feeling we'll see this a lot in his career.
And it's in there. And San Antonio leads by 12.
And just totally relentless, only increasing the intensity level.
Always plays hard until the final whistle, no matter what the situation is.
And it's the Spurs ball. A deep 3 from MP. Another shot. Hart pulls it in. Outside Brunson. From deep, MP. Oh, a silky 3 from MP.
Quick decision-making by MP. I love how confident he looked taking that shot.
A deep 3 from MP. And they waste no time getting those 3 points back. 3-second difference between the shot clock and the game clock. MP's shot is off. Spurs lead by 9. To the inside. Back to MP. Puts up a deep three. And again, it's San Antonio with a three. Now here's MP. MP making his presence felt.
Credit the plays they're calling for him. Getting him right now some good shots.
And so the San Antonio Spurs earning this break in the action, up 10. They've been lights out from deep, and it's a big reason why they have a lead in this one. Back to the game after this break. Well, for those just tuning in, thanks for being with us. Second half of this game still to play. Outside Brunson. Back to MP. Oh, and the dunk by MP.
Somebody help this man. Get this man some help out there. He's doing everything he can to keep his team in the game.
From deep, MP. And it's rebounded by Karl Anthony Towns. And so it's Brunson with it. He brings it up for the New York Knicks. 8-point game.
Most of the time, if you give him that much room, oh yeah, that's going to be the result.
Pass to Castle. There's the triple. The Knicks pull it in.
You love to see the competitive fire, but he couldn't sink that revenge triple.
Yeah, just a solid passer. Towns relishes his role as leader of this team, wanting to set up his teammates.
A tight one here in New York City. MP with it. Now guarded by MP. Pass to Anunoby. Back to MP. Oh, and the dunk by MP.
They're making smart adjustments, setting guys up for success.
But it took them a little while to get there. Just goes to show, as long as you persevere, you'll figure your way out.
And here's Anunoby. MP outside. Fires for three. Hart pulls it in. And the Knicks with possession. They haven't given up any points here in the second half. Outside Anunoby. Out to the wing. MP outside. 6 to shoot. And MP throws it down.
They fought so hard to get themselves in a position to win this game.
And it's so much easier said than done. But now it's all about keeping that momentum going for them.
San Antonio trailing here. Pass to Castle. Lets it go from deep. Hart pulls it in. Here's Rice. Muscling it home. MP.
That is a play that is beyond his years. MP takes the contact and still gets it to fall.
Castle for three. San Antonio again missing. And the Knicks with possession. It's been 13 unanswered for him. A nice shot by Rice.
Such an effective shooter. If you lose track of him defensively, he's gonna make you pay.
Drops in the three. MP's got 51.
That's how you up the ante. Come right back at him.
Yeah, I love the competitive fire right there. You drain a triple on us, and I'm coming for my revenge.
Hits a three-pointer.
Don't let Brunson get hot. I mean, he'll answer all game long.
Pass to MP. Back to Castle. Lets the three fly. Drains the triple. Castle's got 5 points. MP right side. Oh, and the dunk by MP.
This is what total commitment gets you. MP endures and is well rewarded for it.
And this is his second attempt at the line tonight. And here's a timeout from Mitch Johnson. A moment to rest and confer on the game plan. Just over 3.5 minutes through the third. Castle outside. And again. It's San Antonio with a three.
Well, when the three ball is falling for Castle, he is extremely difficult to defend.
Now MP. Non-stop scoring machine right here. And the foul called on MP. That's his first foul of the game.
And this kind of selflessness is great to see. Textbook positioning to draw the charge.
Back to Castle. From deep, MP. And again, it's the Spurs from deep.
Yeah, these teams are playing with incredible energy.
Yeah, the second half in stark contrast with the first. Coach must have gotten on them a little bit at halftime.
Pass to Castle. Out to the right wing. Champagny. And no good. Had a chance to take the lead. And Hart throws it down.
Transition basketball, the most reliable way to generate easy looks.
Yeah, when you hustle on the break like he does, good things tend to happen.
.24 seconds left in the third quarter of the game. Castle outside. That three's off the mark. MP with it. Puts the move on. MP blast off.
And plays like that one can make the difference in a close game.
And it definitely got the bench on their feet, too.
And you can feel the jolt of energy that he sent through his team. That is a huge boost in a tight game like this.
And it's been a very competitive game so far as we get rolling here in quarter number 4. Inside. Castle outside. Pass to MP. And they double up MP. Back to Castle. Here's Champagny. And that one comes up a bit short.
Excellent use of his physical gifts. Goes up strong and captures the board.
Here's Rice. Puts up a three. Knocks down the triple.
Looking like an old hand out there. MP working the two-man game to perfection.
Let's go with a three. It's rebounded by New York. To the right side. Here's Brunson outside. And the Knicks, another three.
Looks like they're gaining some confidence here in crunch time.
Building out this lead brick by brick. They have taken a